other shops here. There's like a Media World, a New Yorker, a Terra Nova, a Deichmann. Like they became like a big shopping center all around here. And they have a play area. And so we're here to buy a table for the computers. And I don't know. That's what we're here to buy. So we'll see if we buy anything else. Oh my gosh, chocolate spoon. Lint. Oh my gosh, so we went to Ikea. We bought a whole bunch of stuff. We bought a table for the computers, which is the skinny one. We bought a whole chest of drawers for our clothes. We have a small apartment and no room for our clothes to go in the elevator. Hello. So we bought also like a little mini table thing for the computer, also if we're in bed and we want to use the computer. And they have like a whole food section, a grocery section. So I got candy, I got a gluten-free cake. So we're leaving Ikea now. Oh, my skin is so terrible today. But anyways, so we're leaving Ikea now. And it was so much fun coming here.
See?
Yeah, they have so much stuff. Look, it's huge.
And there is also more, you know.
This is the Ikea for Slovenia and Italy, like, and northeastern Italy. Like, this is the only one, and it's huge.
In Padova there is another one. It's more near Venice, that one.
Ah, okay. So yeah, the other one is Venice, Padova.
It's big, look there.
It's huge, and so it's turned into a huge shopping mall. So there's a Lindt chocolate shop, and oh my god, it's so sunny. And it's October, and it's still in the afternoon, it's quite hot, but at night it's quite cold. So you can see that it's a huge shopping mall now. So here you have to pay the ticket for the highway. Well, you get it, and then when you get to the other side of it, then you pay for it. Here it is. Oh, what I found in Ikea, I found fudge, which, you know, is not normally found in Italy. I also found cranberry sauce, because, you know, they had some like Halloween stuff and wintry products right now. And so here I found cranberry sauce, which I've never seen before here. So I was really happy I found that. I found some gluten-free things for Enrico, including a gluten-free caramel toffee kind of pie. And that's really good. Enrico's a bit intolerant to gluten, so it's good when we find things for him like that. And so it was a really interesting day. Oh, Lindt was amazing. At Lindt, when you order a coffee, they give you a chocolate spoon, so you can stir it and then you can eat it after, like chocolate spoon. So and that was at no extra cost too. So that's really cool, because actually you can get at the Bire, like in Udine, there's a cafe, the Bire Pan cafeteria. And I don't know why they call it a cafeteria, because you know in English cafeteria is like at school, you go to the cafeteria. And in British English they call it a canteen. But in America, it's a canteen is a cafeteria, and a canteen in America is like something in the army, like you have a canteen. So they call it the Bire Pan cafeteria, but it's not a cafeteria, it's a cafe. And a bar too. And there you pay 60 cents for the Lindt chocolate spoons, but at the Lindt coffee shop you get it free with your coffee, and the coffee's quite a good price as well. And I got special Lindt chocolate bars as well. I like sweets. I have a huge sugar tooth. I was really happy that we went to Lindt and we had coffee, and it was a really good afternoon at Ikea. So these are the Lindt chocolates that I got. This is caramel brownie, dark chocolate cookie, and crunchy nougat. It says, "Hello, my name is Crunchy Nougat." These are €1 each, and it is expensive because actually they're only 39 grams. Soup out of the big pot. I came home like 10 o'clock and I was really hungry. I made sushi. And this is the cake that we got from Ikea. So that's what it looks like. It's actually a small cake. It's smaller than the small plates. Hello guys. I'm gonna take a bite out of that. I'm gonna try a piece of this cake. It's quite good. We still have a lot of furniture to put together from Ikea. We finished our cake. Do you see the stranger danger cat? Stranger danger cat.
Chi ti dice che scherzavo?
It's difficult to see through the glass.
Che vuoi dire?
Stranger danger.
Quello che ho detto.
Now.